Welcome. This is how to check Wi-Fi data usage on iPhone. So guys, to track your Wi-Fi data usage, you could just simply go ahead and go to the settings into your phone. And now, once you are here on the settings, just simply scroll down and you should be able to see here cellular. So go to the cellular tab. And from here, you should be able to just simply go ahead and scroll down, and you should be able to see here your cellular data. So as you can see, my current period is 8 gigabyte. And from here, I could just simply select show all to see which application consumes the most cellular data with. And from here, you could just simply turn off a specific application if you are not using it really. And from here, you should be able to manage them out based on your personal preferences. There you go. If you found this video helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.